Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to guide you through the process of block iMessage on iPhone. So, let's get started. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Messages. Look for the toggle switch labeled iMessage. Tap it to turn it off. Disabling iMessage means you won't receive or send new iMessages. However, you can still send and receive regular text messages and multimedia messages. If you want to blocking a specific contact, open the Messages app. Find the conversation thread of the contact you want to block. Tap on the contact's name or number at the top of the conversation. Look for the info icon, it might be a circle with an eye inside, and tap on it. Scroll down a bit and find the option Block this caller. Tap on it. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Tap Block Contact to confirm. And there you have it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.